Hey guys, what's up? Let's talk about multiplying polynomials with the distribution method. We've done distribution. We've used it when we're solving equations. Distribution, right? So if I had something like this, distribution means this is multiplication because it's right next to the parentheses. So 3 times x is 3x. 3 times 2 is positive 6. That's what distribution is. So we're going to do the same thing with polynomials. We just have more we have to distribute. Okay, so taking what we already know and just extending the use of it. All right, so when we have distribution, we're just going to start with it exactly how it is. You need to multiply everything in one parentheses times everything in the other. Do not multiply inside the same parentheses. Everything in one parentheses times all the stuff in the other parentheses, all the other terms. This is what that looks like. Organization's your friend. Okay, so I'm going to start with x, telling myself what I'm working on, right? Focusing. So x times x is x squared. X times 3 is positive 3x. I multiplied that x times all the terms in the other parentheses. It's done. Now I need to do the positive 5 times everything in the other parentheses. So 5 times x is going to be positive 5x. I'm going to go ahead and start stacking my results, the like terms, because I know I'm going to have to put them together. That just kind of simplifies it for my brain, right? 5 times 3 is positive 15. I'm going to add these rows together, so I get x squared plus 8x plus 15. That's as simplified as I can get. I don't have like terms. Like terms, same variable, same exponent. My exponents don't match, so I can't combine those together. Okay, so there is distribution. Keep in mind, always tell yourself what operation you're doing. It'll help avoid slipping into addition or subtraction, right? Being very aware of what I am doing mathematically. So let's do it again. So I have 2x minus 2 times x plus 11. I'm going to take 2x first times everything, and then negative 2 times everything. So 2x times x is 2x squared. 2x times 11 is positive 22x. Done with 2x. Now let's do negative 2. Mind your signs, mind your exponents. Mind your signs, mind your exponents. Negative 2 times x is negative 2x. So I'm going to put it where my x's are. Negative 2 times 11 is negative 22. And we're going to add the rows together. So 2x squared plus 20x minus 22. And that's as simplified as I can get. Okay, so distribution, really important that you keep track of what have I already multiplied. Make sure you don't miss any terms, and make sure it's everything in the other parentheses. Do not multiply within the same parentheses. Okay, let's do it again. So 3x minus 1 squared, remember that's 3x minus 1 times 3x minus 1. So knowing what exponents are telling me. So let's go ahead and write the expansion here. All right, 3x times everything in the second parentheses, negative 1 times everything in the second parentheses. 3x times 3x is 9x squared. 3 times 3 is 9. X times x is x squared. 3x minus 1. See, look what I just did. I didn't say times. 3x times negative 1. Ooh, that's a really easy slip up. 3x times negative 1. Maybe I should write that down. Hey, I am multiplying. 3x times negative 1 is negative 3x. All right, I've done everything in the second parentheses, so I'm done there. Negative 1, mind the signs, mind the exponents. Negative 1 times 3x is negative 3x. Line up with my other x's. Negative 1 times negative 1 is positive 1. It's its own group because it's a constant. And I've multiplied everything in the first group times everything in the second group. I'm ready to combine like terms. So 9x squared, negative 3x and negative 3x is negative 6x plus 1. Okay, same thing even if it gets really long, okay, and we just have more terms to multiply. Just have your method. Be very organized. No need to rush through it. That's where we make mistakes. That's where we lose terms. That's where silly things creep in. Okay, so I'm going to do 2x times everything in the second parentheses, and then -4 times everything in the second parentheses. So 2x times x squared is 2x cubed. 2 times 1 is 2. X times x squared is x cubed. 2x times 3x is positive 6x squared. 2 times 3 is 6. X times x is x squared. 2x times 1 is positive 2x. I've done 2x times everything in that second parentheses, so I'm done with that. And now it's time for -4. Watch your signs, watch your exponents. -4 times x squared is -4x squared. -4 times 3x is going to be -12x. And -4 times 1 is -4. I've multiplied that times everything. I am ready to combine like terms, so I get 2x cubed. 6x squared minus 4x squared is going to be positive 2x squared. 2x minus 12x is -10x. And minus 4. Even though it's long, we still are able to do it, and that would be my product. So that's distribution. Mind your signs, mind your exponents. Be organized about it. Make sure you multiplied everything in the other side by the first term, then go to the next term, and just keep track of it. It's easy to lose pieces, but the more organized you are, thoughtful about it, you'll do great.